Not again already. What's this one?
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Cass County in southwest Michigan until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. This severe storm was located 6 miles west of Cassopolis, or 6 miles south of Lajak, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Cassopolis. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include LaGrange, Diamond Lake, Penn, Calvin Center, Vandalia, Paradise Lake, Downer Lake, and Shavehead Lake. In addition to quarter-size hail and damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in northern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Cass County, Michigan. This is a severe thunderstorm watch.
Alright. I'm gonna keep this rolling until the other one comes, if there's another one.
From November to March. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your area.
But we're also at the end of the peninsula sticking out into the Caribbean Sea. And so there's a lot of water around us and a lot of humidity, and that creates the rainfall that dries the Everglades.
During the 7-month wet season, the Everglades starts to fill up again. It's a natural progression that begins well north of Everglades National Park, at the second largest freshwater lake in the U.S.
In the spring, Lake Okeechobee would fill up.
The big drops are falling again.
A sheet of water
It's coming.
35 miles wide. And that was the beginning, the headwater of the River of Grass.
There are about 6 million people living within a 50-mile radius of the Florida Everglades. Oh, humans are the minority once you get out here in the swamp. And that suits one particular gator wrestler just fine. Thank God they tried.
That's just not okay.
Dang. Oh man. Oh yeah. Coming down. Come on down. Get it? No. Okay, that was bad. That was a bad joke, wasn't it? I want to get like a where's all that really heavy rain? Because they said there was very heavy rain associated with this. Dang. Alright, I'm just gonna make EAS videos from now on, so bye.